Jai Siya Ram, my dear friends, how are you all? I hope that you are fit, fine, and happy. Because happiness is an end objective of our life. Whatever we do in our life, just think of it is only because of two things. One is peace, and that comes when you are happy. So everything is towards happiness. So I pray to Lord Rama that you may be quite happy mind stage. So in the last video, during the discussion of the Chaupai of Sundarkand, an incident came that how Hanumanji has got a solution regarding how to reach Lanka. And what was that solution? That solution was that he tried to run through on a place which is higher than the sea surface, that may be mountain, and jump from that place. So how does this came to his mind? I promised you to tell the solution or the working strategy of a mind, or how does your brain works. I promised you to tell in the last video itself, but I'm sorry, the video was going to be a longer one. And I thought that it would not be a justice to tell you in 1 or 2 minutes. So I decided to make an entire separate video on this. I hope you will not mind it. So now let me come on the topic. See, I hope that in your life as well, you may have come across with certain problems in your life. They might be so severe or so urgent for you that you may not be entertaining, enjoying, or involving anywhere else other than the problem. Every time, day and night, when you are walking, when you are going to sleep, you are unable to sleep because the same problem is bothering you again and again. When you are going to your office, you are driving slowly because the problem is bothering you and you are unable to focus on the road. While you are working on something else, you are not execute the things properly because the problem is bothering you again and again. In the same situation, sometime the time comes when you are even not in a position to perform anything. The first stage is that you are doing the things, but the problem is not permitting you to do it. So you need to put more hard efforts to complete that. But the extremity of the problem is that you are even unable to focus to start even the work. So this is a time when your brain start focusing on the solution. It's not you, it's your brain which starts focusing on the solution, how to get it. So what happens, unlike computer has got its own way of working on the things, similarly, our brain also has got its own way of working on different problems. I hope you might be knowing it, and even if you are knowing it, it may be a repetition of information, and even if you are not knowing it, it may be a new piece of information for you. That whenever you are stuck to a problem and your brain at some stage, because of urgency of the requirement of solution, starts working at its own, works into a different fashion. You might be knowing that unlike an electricity current, a something similar to this is happening, means the spark sort of thing is happening in our brain also. So our brain also releases a type of waves which is known as electromagnetic waves. These waves come out of our mind, we cannot see them. And the similar type of waves are coming out of everyone's mind. And unlike when these waves are traveling into the universe, they collide with each other. But when the two waves which have collided each other are of different nature, they do not absorb themselves. Unlike the water doesn't mix up with an mustard oil. But if you mix a mustard oil with a mustard oil, it will mix up into a uniform way. Or if you mix water with water, it will mix into a uniform way. Or if you mix water with milk, might be different things, but of the same properties will mix with each other. So likewise, you know what happens? When the problem that you are struggling with, and with the similar problem, if someone else where in the universe, anywhere on this planet, has come across with the same thing, and he is also releasing the waves, obviously you cannot control it. You cannot control it. Though you can focus it, number one, you can increase it, yes, you can decrease it up to some extent, but you cannot stop it. It is beyond your control. It is beyond your control, as you cannot stop your heartbeat. It is beyond your control, as you cannot control the blood flow in your body. It is beyond control, as you cannot stop blinking of your eyes. So similarly, you cannot stop this thought, though you can limitize it, means minimize and expand up to some extent. So when a person anywhere on this universe might be miles and miles away from your place, thousands of kilometers or miles away from your place, and if he has found a solution and he has come out of it, he may also thinking about the same thing as a victory at that moment of time. So his brain also releases waves, and these waves contains the solution, and your brain is also releasing the waves. And what your brain is releasing? Looking for a solution. So this is looking for a solution, and this is solution. These waves are traveling from different directions or from different origins on this planet, and they just collide like this. So your brain, which was looking for a solution, and this solution that was released by a person who has successfully came out of that, has collided with each other, and you have got a solution to it. And you know when it happens? You never know. But out of an excitement, you started shouting, "Ek idea aaya. I have got an idea to do this. Wow, now I can do this." Who has told you? Have you ever thought of it? That from where this idea has came to you? It's your brain who has given you an idea. It's the universe that has given you an idea. That is the reason That is the reason that in ancient Indian mythology, whenever a person is suffering from a problem, or whenever a person is looking for something, Indian culture never suggests that you go out to look at a solution. Indian culture always used to say that sit down peacefully, calmly, and pray to God. Why pray to God? Because when you are going to pray to God, your brain starts getting calm, and the waves which are released from your brain become faster, more in number, stronger in capacity, so they can travel to the farther distance, and these waves are more receptive. Just tell me one thing, and I request you to be very honest, right? You also might have gone through certain problems in your life. And of course, like a victorious person, you have also come out of those things. So when you find a solution, it's a question, when you find a solution, when you are in panic, or when you are into cool and calm mental stage? Please do write into a comment section that did you find a solution into a panic mental stage or a cool mental stage? I hope you have an answer to it. Yeah, yes, you have got an answer to it. So when you know that you will get a solution into a cool and calm mental stage, then why you are not trying it? It is not, you are not deliberately ignoring it. It is only because into the crisis of survival, this piece of information which is very relevant and important for your life has gone back of your mind. I am trying to remind it so that your life may become easy. So from tomorrow onwards, or even if you are watching it today, in any time in the day, from today itself, start finding a solution from this way that I have shared. It may not be easy for you. In the coming videos, I would also be guiding you, sharing with you, telling you how to do this, right? So, this is all in this video. But I again reiterate that in this video we have tried to learn that if you go deep within yourself, if you calm your mind, if you come out of your panic mental situation, you will get a solution for everything. Everything, you will get a solution to everything that you are looking for. Let it be anything, anything in life, anything in office, anything in your workplace, anything, and you will get a solution to this. I hope that you have liked the video. If you are keenly interested to learn this technique, please do write your comment into the comment section. Please do mention that which problem of your life has got a solution when you were into a calm stage of your mind. See, I know that you are caring your family. I know that you are caring your surroundings. I know that you are caring the universe as well. But the only thing is that you do not get a chance to exhibit that or to share that kindness. You can share your kindness. You can share the solutions that you have got in the comment below this video. And believe me, it will excite the people. It will encourage more and more people. It will make the larger number of people positive about this way of living the life. And they may not meet you ever, but believe me, their thanks will reach you and make you happy. And that is what for which we are living our life. So thank you very much in this video. I thank you from the bottom of my heart for listening this video. We will meet again with the next Chaupai of Sundarkand from Ramcharitmanas, the 5th chapter. And we will keep on discussing a lot of things like this. So thank you very much. Jai Siya Ram.